Hello everyone, I'm Karthi Vignesh. In this video, we'll be talking about exercise number 4 in System Software Compiler Design Lab, which is token separation. So in this video, we'll be going through the program, which will read a object code line by line, and uh, into it will separate each keywords into tokens, and it will be displayed for the output for the user, displayed on the output for the user. So this is the code that I have written. So for this, to understand this code, we'll have to open the sample input file as well. So this is the sample input file here. So here we have a simple C program which just declares a variable a, sends 10 to the value a, 10 to the variable a, and prints the value of a is 10 and returns 0. This is basically a simple program. And here this is the code which will be acting as the tokenizer. So first I am opening the sample program, and here I have three dictionaries. The first dictionary is full of operators plus subtraction, assignment, multiplication, all of this stuff are included in the dictionary variable. And in the random dictionary, operators dictionary, we have all these things. And in the random dictionary, we have the main function, header file, all these values, all these keywords assigned to the certain descriptions. It will be printed while encountering this token in the input. And then we have a D type dictionary which will have all the different data types, and after that these are the things. And here I have a dictionary called variable, which will have, sorry, it's a list called variables, and it will have all the lowercase ASCII values, which will be ABCD till Z in the lowercase. I would, since variable names can be whatever they want, for the sake of uh, just showing how it works, I'll just declare all the smaller case letters as variable names, so that A, B, C, D or whatever variable name we are using here it will be displayed as it is a variable encountered in the input. And I've assigned all the keys from all the dictionaries to three different lists. Now I'm reading the line one by one. Sorry, now I'm reading the file and I'm splitting it whenever I encounter a next line, which is basically separating lines one by one. And for line in a file, so I have the input in file now, which is separated as different lines. So file will have different lines as one value at a time. So for line in file, I'm increasing the line count by 1, which is initially declared as 0, and I'm printing line, whatever line that is. And then I'm splitting the line into tokens. I'm splitting the lines into tokens whenever there is space encountered. And after that, for I in tokens, I'm checking with all these things and numeric value variables, all this stuff, to check whether to associate it with a certain value. For example, when the first thing hash include studio.h. So in the first thing, it will just first it will detect hash include, which will print pre-processing statement. And after that, it will detect studio.h, it will studio.h, it will print header file, and so on and so forth. And after that, it will print that the line ends here. And after going through the loop for the entire file, it will print that the input has been tokenized, and it will close the reading file. So I'm going to execute the program now. So this is the output for this input. So let's go through line by line. So line 1 is hash include, which is pre-processing statement, and studio.h, which is a header file. Line 1 ends here. Line 2 int a, line 2 int main function. So integer type, main function, ampersand symbol, function declaration. Line 2 ends here. Sorry, not ampersand, parenthesis, line function declaration. Line 2 ends here. After that, line 3, we have opening of function block. Function block starts here, and enter integer type variable a. Line 4 ends here. A is equal to 10, a variable assignment operator, numeric value 10 is being assigned. Line 5 ends here. Printf value, we have printf variable a. Line 6 ends here. Line 7, we have return 0, return variable, return keyword, numeric value. Line 7 ends here, and the closing. So line 8, function block ends here, line 8 ends here. So the input has been tokenized, so it shows the input has been tokenized. So yeah, that's how this specific program works, and that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video.